Yeah. Oh shit. What up? Tacolover here. Okay. I have some information I want to give you. I live here in Corpus Christi, Texas, by the beach, sort of. And we have a problem. Today's date is Thursday, August 24th. And what is the problem? We have a hurricane coming from the Gulf of Mexico. The name is Harvey. Harvey. Just to be clear, I didn't even know there was going to be a storm. Nobody in Corpus Christi knew there was going to be a hurricane forming around like the eye. Now, just a couple of days ago, today's the 24th, so 23rd, 22nd, whatever, the news said that there's going to be a storm coming in, but I thought, nah, it's not that big a deal. It's just a storm. It's going to break and it's going to spread. That's it. But there was a problem. The other days, it was just a tropical depression. But now they update and see. Oh, okay. We have a problem. It's starting to go from here to, okay. I know nothing about the weather, so I don't know what I'm talking about. But don't judge me, okay? Now, as it's coming, they said it's gonna probably be a hurricane. What was the word? What was that? Starts with a C. I forgot. Category 1. Okay, it was gonna be hurricane category 1. It's nothing wrong. It's okay. It's just a little few pieces missing from trees or whatever. But category 1. Then it started getting bigger to 2. And now it's getting even more bigger in the middle of the Gulf of Mexico, so meaning it's coming faster. So it's going to be a hurricane category 3. And that's a problem, meaning Corpus Christi is going to have another hurricane hit. Meaning it's been, what, 30 years? I don't know. In the 70s, in the 70s they had a hurricane bad named Rhea? I don't know, Rita? Who cares? Traffic is, people have to evacuate fast. Get out of here. Now, man, I'm gonna stay and record my vlog to show you guys my first experience going through a hurricane in my apartment here. Bad idea? Yes. But here's the worst thing for me. I'm not prepared. Meaning, I have no food, some, no drinks, some, and no money. I'm broke. Okay, look, don't judge me, but I finished work recently. Today's Thursday, okay? Tomorrow, Friday, is when we get paid our checks. But we can't go into work tomorrow on Friday because, why? The storm is coming in tomorrow morning, maybe, but that's why we can't go into work. And I would have picked it up early today during work, but the checks have not arrived. I can't go to the store and get supplies to plan and prepare myself. But here's the thing. I have you. You're watching me. You will protect me. Make sure I'm stay safe. No, I'm gonna die. I'm sorry. Anyways, here's my journey to survive this situation, okay? I know it's dumb of me to stay. I should have evacuated fast, but come on. I'm a human being who's trying to make videos, entertain, show you guys what I can do. That means, hey, let's see how it goes in the hurricane of Harvey here in Corpus Christi, Texas. I'm gonna document, save it, okay? I'm gonna save the information and see how it looks. Yes, thank you. You're talking shit about me now in the comments, I'm sure, and saying, he's stupid, Angel, Tacolover, stupid. Okay, I know, okay? And I'll be fine. Why? Because, I don't know. Just because. Okay, now, let's see what happens because today is Thursday. The time is 3:20 8. I'm filming this at this time right now. Yeah, okay, Tacolover, what up, okay. So I'm here in HEB, ready to get something because I found $5. Yeah, okay. There's no more water, none. It's all gone, okay. And some drinks I can get, yeah, I get it fast, okay. So we're gonna go check it out real quick. Okay, so we have a problem. A line is full. Oh, sorry. I can't get nothing. Okay, so we're home and this is what we have. Okay. Yeah, no? Okay, I'm stuck. No back. Oh, so, oh. Yeah, okay. HEB. All boarded. Okay, safe from hurricane. It's coming in soon, okay? So I can feel the wind. I feel it coming, babe. Okay, I'm sorry. So yeah. Okay, we're home. So, the problem is no food, no drinks, and no money. Wow, life. FUNASS. Yeah. Ooh, what up, guys? We're back. Okay, I'm sorry. So look at this. Clear as day. It's beautiful, and the time is 4:29. Beautiful day today until tomorrow. It's still, so we'll explore and look around. So the thing is, I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I have a big tree right here. This big look at that. Wow, this is gonna crash into my apartment here. I'm not gonna show you guys my door or anything. Hey, look, it's Lord Vader, by the way. Can you see him? He's right there. Can you see him? You can't see him. Okay, hold on. Oh, there it is. Okay. Yep, Lord Vader. Right there. You see that boy? That's my boy right there. He's a homie. Anyways, so that tree, if it falls, maybe, because look at that shit. That's like smack dab into my apartment right there. I don't know about it, so damn. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys what foods I have since I can't go to the store and get them because it's full and it's running out. So, and I'm broke. I don't have money. So let's check this out. Okay. We got, let's see, Florida's natural, no, 100% orange juice, but I'm running low on that right now, so that's kind of bad. Let's see, I have potted meat. This could work. This is good. Yeah, perfect. Oh, I got some chili. Now that's something I can eat for sure. I don't even know if you can eat that raw. Chili. And here's this one. Ooh, now I got my canned foods. These are the only foods I have that's gonna be able to last me a little bit. And some trail mix. This is very important. Very important, okay? Now, cereals. I got, oh, this is brand new, by the way. I don't know if I'm advertising that, but sorry if I am. Alright, let's see. We got some, my favorite, peanut butter and jelly. And there's only there's only 3 left. I only have 3. And another pack of cereals. Now here's the thing. I got milk, but I only have a little bit of milk. So I'll be okay with that. I just gotta make it last. So I use these little bowls here. These little bowls will help me be able to make some cereals and I'll be okay. And these plates for the food. Perfect. Perfect. Okay, now another bag of cereals. Oh, look at that. This right here. This is bull. Come on, look at this. Love it or it's free. Stop lying, you liar. Okay, then I got my snacks, chips, dips, and a whole lot of duct tape. Yep, that's good enough. And pink lemonade. Pink. This is all I have that's left of it, and it's. Well, that's pretty much it. Yeah. All right, everybody. So we got some further updates and information. The storm is arriving. The time is 11:20. Still August 24th. Almost the 25th. It's gonna hit 12 o'clock. Now we got. I was loud. My bad. The rain is starting to come in. As you can see, it's not that major, but that's just the beginning. So it's probably pretty decent. But the one question I have is, who is this motherfucker parking in this spot? Is he washing his car in the middle of this rain? Hold on, let me in it. What? What is he doing? Is he just chilling? Anyways, so Tacolovers, that's what's happening. Okay, so since 11:21, maybe it'll start pouring harder at 12:30, 1 o'clock. Well, the news says in the morning it's gonna pour hard. So let's get started, shall we? Because we are gonna build a barricade, kind of a barricade. It's not much, but it's something, okay? Let me see you in a bit. Yeah, what up? Okay, we're outside. It's 1 o'clock in the morning, and so far, it's okay. It's not bad. I mean, I know it's gonna happen like later in the morning, but check it out. It's pretty nice. It rained just for a little bit. Now it's just chilling. It's straight chilling. It's gonna catch us all by surprise. Yep. I just stepped in a puddle. Are you serious? I'm not wearing the right shoes for this. Look. These shoes? These are not good shoes at all. Oh, jeez. Anyways. So, let me just clarify that the street I live in right here, it gets flooded. I mean, flooded. Like, seriously flooded. Pretty bad flood. Check it out. Okay, so here it is. You see this? Hold on. Give me hands. Let me put it on manual focus, okay? Make it easy. There we go. Got it. So, this whole street area, man, it's gonna get ugly. Yep, it's gonna get very rough. I mean, the streets are dead because it's literally 1 o'clock in the morning. So, I don't know why people are still driving at this time. At the moment, we're gonna see what happens at 6 in the morning, or 5 earliest. And I will see you guys in a little bit in the morning. Alright? Here's the hand. You know what I do with it? Huh? Oh. Man. Okay. Just the camera. What up, guys? We're back. Today, it's the afternoon. I barely just woke up earlier. It's 3:41 p.m. Today's day is the 25th. Now, the storm is coming in pretty quick. Almost. It's coming slow, but it's coming. Okay, check this out. Got pretty much. You can't see it, but it's raining. Hold on, let me see if I can. Just there we go. Okay, kinda. Anyways, check out this bird right here. He's just chilling still. He's still chilling there. You can't see him. Hold on. There he is. Look at him. I'm trying to get him inside. He's not coming in. He's being a bitch. Okay. Okay. Let me see. Let me adjust the camera. Alright. You see me okay? Yeah? Okay. So, here's the problem over here. Alright. I have a tree right here. You see this tree? Yep, same tree. The wind is pretty strong, man, and it's pushing it. It looks like it's gonna fall on my apartment or that one right there. I'm not sure. Maybe it'll fall on his apartment. I don't know. But this whole big thing, yep, it covers my section right here. So, yeah, we'll see what happens, I guess. You can't really see it in this condition, but it's really gusty. Like the wind is gusting. Anyways, I guess everything's gonna be fine. So the thing is, it's coming soon, and I don't know what to do, honestly. The power went out for a little bit, then it came back on, and I uploaded a video early so I can show that I'm gonna be making a vlog of this, and hopefully if I make it, I'll post it. Alright guys, I'll see you in a little bit, okay? I'm gonna keep y'all updated, okay? Here's the hand. You know what I do with this? You know what I do? Oh, you know what? I'll just go ahead and put it on your face. Okay guys, the power's out. I got this whole section here so I can get some light. I gotta put some candles up and set it up nice and neat. The only light I have right here is my phone. So I'm sorry. Oh, look at this. Yep, wind is picking up a little bit. Just a little bit of speed. It's gonna be pretty. I'm sorry, never mind. It's not gonna be pretty. This is actually gonna be a nightmare. Yeah. Now what is this lady doing here? Oh my goodness. What are you doing? Get inside. She just she's looking for someone? What are you? Oh my goodness, is it that strong? Who's she talking to? She's running. I'm kinda curious, I gotta get out there. See what's going on. I guess she's looking for a pet. I'm not sure. But dude, the wind is relentless. You wanna go? Let's go. Let's go. Alright guys, I'm gonna set up the candles here. These candles right here, I didn't have any candles, so I went by a corner store and bought these cheapest ones. It's the best I could do, so something. And I have no candle support. Just gonna, I don't know how this works, so. Let there be light. Alright. Alright, there we go. Alright. I know what you guys are thinking. One of the candle drips on my table. I know that. I'm gonna put it under here. But I know what you're thinking again. It's gonna catch on fire. But what can I do? I actually don't have any bowls. Wait, actually, you know what? Give me a second. Alright guys, here we go. I got the bowl. Just gonna put it under here. There, safe and sound. I don't want to burn nothing down here, man. And the bad thing is my battery died, so I'm gonna have to change it real quick. Turn this off. Just connect that. Yeah, I just can't hear right now. My hearing aid battery's dead. Shit, I almost fell. Alright, we're good. So we're all set now. I got light for now. See what happens, huh? Okay. Power's out. I don't know when it's gonna come on, but I'll be sure to let you know. Time is 5:15 p.m. today, on the 25th, okay? I'll see you guys in a little bit, okay? Here's the hand. I heard something. Someone screaming? But it's getting harder. Oh boy. Wow. It's pretty tough. Wanna explore? Nah, we can't do that. It's too scary. I feel it coming. Yeah, that's happening right now. It's getting hard. I don't know how fast. Power's still up. I can't even turn on my TV. Just chilling, waiting for the power to come back on. Even though it's a hurricane, it knocked down the power, so I know for sure that it's not gonna come back on anytime soon. But luckily, I have my phone. My phone's fully charged. My iPad, everything's charged. So I'm taking out the trash like a normal person, you know? Just gotta make it to the dumpster. Yep, just gotta, whoa, look at that. Gotta make it to the dumpster and I'll be okay. Whoa. What's that? Maybe just gotta make it to the dumpster. I just continue the day like it's normal, you know? I mean, like, this is not even a hurricane, this is just a little rain. Okay, maybe not a little bit of rain. It's okay. It's fine. That's a mess. Oh shit. Whoa! There we go. I got it. Strong. Very strong. That's right, huh? Okay. It's fine. It's fine. Safety mask and all. Good. It's good. Good business. Ah, shit! I stepped on a puddle of water! Damn it! Here we go, guys. It's getting hot out there. Whoa. Whoa. We could just do it one more time. You see the flashes? They're coming in. Dude, yeah, that's pretty rough. Oh. Interesting. Oh. Still going, man. Ooh. Shit. Shit. Oh my god. Whoa. Here is insane. Window's insane. Whoa. Can't say, but it's rough out there. What? Ah, damn it! The damn thing is trying to pull me in. fuck? Shit. Ah, damn it. Okay, I'm gonna stay away from the window. It looks like it's gonna break. Let's check the other one. Whoa, okay, you guys can't see it, but it's really dark out there. The sliding door is moving along. You can't see the flood. It's holy crap! You can see the flood. I can barely see the flood. I'm not opening this door. Let's check this out. I got this. I got water coming in from there. Sorta coming in. I don't know. Let me explain. Okay, can you see me? Okay. I don't know how to explain, but the whole apartment's shaking. It's one shaking, and you see outside trees, the wind. It's hitting hard. It's freaking me out a little bit because it gets louder and louder, and then it gets more violent. It makes me feel like this whole place is gonna fall. I don't know what to tell you guys. Well, lightning's brightening up the sky, literally like brightening up, and it just looks like a big bright light, but it's blue. It's a big blue bright light shining in the sky. It like literally lights up the whole area, and when I see that, it just looks like, man, this place is dark. Outside is really dark. It's black. It's really black, and I don't know. I'm surprised this tree is still standing. This tree got hard hit, man. Damn, it's a mess out here. Look at a war zone, sorta looks like a war zone. It's not too bad. I mean, just a couple of trash and debris outside. Hey, that's what too. Looks like, wow. What a lot of people are out. Good. It wasn't too bad, actually. Pretty decent. Anybody want to go swimming? Well, at least they can pick up the trees easily from the dumpster. That's a mess. Damn, that's an even bigger tree in the middle of the street. Yep, car kinda. Is that a stadium? It looks like a bleachers. They look like bleachers. Yeah, they look like bleachers. Sure. Interesting. Bird and HB. We're recording.
Alameda. Alameda's open.
Right go. How you getting home?
Shut up.
Put some more music. What the fuck?
Hold on, I can't have music in the camera. Okay.
You can.
Song necessary.
Alright, go.
Oh, turn on. Oh my goodness. Look at that big ass tree. Whoa. Sorry for curse words. It's dangerous right there. him. Oh shit. Roll it up. Roll him up.